KBI Music Shop is a family-owned and operated business serving the Fredericksburg area and beyond. Owners Dan and Risha King began the business out of their basement in 2009 by doing repairs for the local school band programs. Since then, KBI has grown into a fully operational music store with an on-site repair shop. We now offer rentals, lessons, deliveries, and instrumental accessories too. Our repair shop has 3 repair technicians with degrees from the Band Instrument Repair Program in Red Wing, Minnesota, and who are members of NAPRT, the National Association of Band Instrument Repair Technicians. Our repair techs service all brass, woodwind, and orchestral instruments. Cleaning and servicing your instrument regularly is very important. KBI also offers a full rental program for band and orchestral instruments. We have Fidelis, our house brand, Yamaha, and Eastman instruments available for rental, as well as many other brands for purchase. Check out our website at www.kbimusicshop.com or give us a call at 540-891-7800 for more information. At KBI Studios, we provide instructors of every instrument to teach your students. Whether virtually or in person, we guarantee a wonderful learning experience. Once lessons return in person, we have a comfortable waiting area for family members and 9 soundproof lesson rooms to facilitate your students' learning. Sign up for more information anytime on our website or fill out our form in store. Also, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for videos on how to take care of your instrument, repair tips, and messages from our musicians. You can find our channel by searching KBI Music Shop YouTube online. KBI Music Shop is also a full retail music store. We keep books, cases, and care items for all instruments in stock, as well as many fun and exciting gift items for your favorite musician. Visit us at 4950 South Point Drive in Fredericksburg to peruse all our fantastic merchandise. In order to keep our customers safe, KBI is now offering home delivery. Home delivery includes pickup and delivery of repairs and delivery of accessories. A minimum purchase or repair of $30 is required. Visit our online store or fill out a repair request online anytime. We also have a tab marked Home Delivery so you know which days we come to your area. Feel free to call, email, or come in and visit us at any time. Our employees are happy to help you learn how to play your song.